Hey, welcome guys. Today we're going to be fitting the Frontrunner roof rack to the Jimny behind me over here. I'll be taking you through it step by step, seeing if we can put this together ourselves. I'm at my father-in-law today. We're using his garage. Thanks very much, Charles. If you can't find the right tool in this garage, then I don't think you'll be able to put anything together, so we should come right. Join us as we try and put this Frontrunner roof rack onto the Jimny. Okay, cool. As you guys can see, we've got the frame set up. So now what we need to do now is we need to just put these slats in and then bolt those down, and these just slide in like this. There we go. And you just slide these in and you bolt them down. You need to just work out how you want to space your slats, because I think they give you 2, 4, 5, 6. So you can just determine how you want to space them. There's little holes all along there that you can then space them out. That's what I'll be doing now. Just slot them in and bolt them down. Okay, cool. Alright, next up we're going to fit the roof rack on top here, and then we're going to clamp the feet to the gutter along here. Cool, so we'll see how it goes. Let's see. Okay, right, next up we're going to fit these little clamps, these feet clamps, the bottom there to the roof rack like this. Okay, and that clips like that. Okay, so what you do is you take this foot, you bolt it underneath there, you clamp it to the foot over there like this.